Are your kids spending too much time playing games or watching content that's not appropriate for them? This question can haunt most of the parents and can hold them back from buying a tablet for the kids. However, when it comes to a kid-friendly tablet, it really doesn't have to be a top-tier one. There are plenty of slates in the market that are affordable and only intended for kids, along with built-in apps which they can use to educate themselves while having fun as well. And today, we have the Azeyou K10 tablet in our hands, which is specially designed for kids. And look forward to a video to know if it's worthy enough to be your kid's favorite toy. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. This tablet comes with a user manual, 7.5-watt charger, Type-C cable, and a beautiful case. Starting with the design, this tablet comes in a slim and compact size so that kids can hold it pretty easily while watching content. Also, the K10 tablet is made of high-quality plastic with a matte finish, which makes this device lightweight and durable. It has a 7-inch display that supports 1024x600 resolution that provides vivid color and details. At the top right corner of the display, it boasts a single selfie camera. And on the right side of this tablet, you'll find the power on/off button and volume up/down button. Plus, on top of it, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack, SD card slot, and a USB Type-C port. Let's talk about its performance and features. Just because it's made for kids doesn't mean this device is not powerful. This tablet has a 1.6 GHz quad-core processor which ensures decent performance so that kids can learn without having any issues. Also, it features 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, and with the help of an SD card slot, you can upgrade the storage up to 128 GB. For a smooth user experience, it runs on Android 11 Go. As for the camera system, the tablet really doesn't have a great camera quality. It's equipped with a 2-megapixel front camera and 2-megapixel back camera, which isn't much, but kids can use this to capture their memories. Moreover, the K10 comes with a lot of built-in apps, including the GMS-certified iWawa app. In this app, kids can get up-to-date educational ebooks, games, videos, creative arts, and many more. Also, the pre-installed Kiddos app provides endless online age-appropriate content so that they have fun while learning. Plus, it has a drawing app too that can help the kids bring out their creativity from imagination. You can even download other educational apps from Google Play Store if needed. Furthermore, there is a built-in parental control mode to ensure your child doesn't explore any further than you want them to. With this feature, you can personalize screen time limits, manage web browsing, and filter age-appropriate content for your kids. You can even limit the game time so that they cannot spend too much time playing video games. It also can help them to learn time management. So, it's time to talk about the beautiful case that comes with the device. The case is made from impact-resistant soft silicone materials which provide a soft and smooth touch experience. Also, it's lightweight, durable, and kid-friendly. This case can even protect the tablet from scratches, bumps, drops, dirt, and many more. Plus, it has a stand at the back so kids don't have to hold the tablet all the time while learning, watching, and playing games. For carrying the tablet pretty easily, this case features soft handles on 3 sides. Regarding the battery life, this tablet is equipped with a 3000 mAh battery which can ensure all-day-long playback time. This battery capacity isn't bad at all for kid tablets like this. Now, here comes the verdict. The Azeyou K10 tablet is perfect for your kids with its performance, features, and security. It can keep your kids away from inappropriate content and give you peace of mind. But what do you think? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.